Baby, fuck your feelings. Feeling, grab the rib.
First, add 5 photos. Click photo, then move that white to the left to adjust duration. Adjust it to 0.6. The second clip is 0.62. Third is 0.7 and fourth is 0.6. Last is 7.5 seconds duration. Adjust the format to 9:16. Lisa is so cute in that photo. Zoom the photo if it's not fit on the format. Add animation. N. Shake 3 and the duration is full. Only the first photo will have the animation. Add audio. Zoom the last photo like this. Zoom like this. Move it down. Then add keyframe. This is the keyframe. Add keyframe again at the end. Then move your photo like this. Click the audio. Then match cut cause we will add beat. Click the last photo, then add beat. Make sure that the beat and the keyframe is on the same line. Then add again keyframe beside the keyframe that on the beat. Repeat until you're at the last beat. Put this white line on the second keyframe. Make sure that it will become red before you move the photo. Move your photo a little bit, up and sideward like this. Take note, a little bit. If your video is not become like mine, just adjust it until it becomes perfect. Just practice, and you can do this. And also make sure that the keyframe is on the beat. Now we will add overlay. Add overlay, stock videos. Add that white. Zoom it out. Adjust the duration to 0.5 seconds. Splice then overlay. Adjust the opacity to 75. Add animation L. Fade out. Adjust the duration to 0.3 seconds. Copy it many times. Touch, hold, and drag like this. Export it. Thank you for watching.
Set my sign is a scared. Then fuck you feel. So I need some spiritual healing. Fuck you.